it's currently 4:30 a.m. and we are on our way to a very exciting activity. We're gonna do river rafting today. So it's in KOLAD. We are starting from Pune, so it's gonna be like 3 hours drive. You know what's the best thing about traveling early in the morning? Entire city sleeps, no traffic, no honking, howling, and especially during monsoon, the freshness that rain brings. Trust me, the road to KOLAD is pretty bad. Surely it did take us longer than ideally it should, but I can still ignore the bumpy ride for the sake of the freshness and tranquility around. यहाँ पे कुछ तो खाने के लिए मिल जाएगा. Oh, I was so hungry. Anyway, यहाँ पे only omelette मिल रहा है. Guys, we just reached here. It took us around 4 hours. The road was not that great, so I'll just take my GoPro. So we had made online booking, location was shared with us, so we basically didn't face any trouble getting here. By the way, यहाँ पे changing room and washroom भी है. It's raining and the weather is cool and fresh.
Okay, please थोड़ा ऐसा क्लोज आ जाओ. Guys, हम लोग राइड करेंगे 12 किलोमीटर राइड करेंगे. अबाउट 2.5 hours. ओके, 2-2.5 घंटा हम लोग को मैक्सिमम 3 hours लगता है. ओके,
इसको क्या बोलते हैं? चप्पू, राइट?
बिशप पदम, गुड मॉर्निंग.
गुड मॉर्निंग.
मिस्टर महेश, नमस्ते.
नमस्ते.
मिस्टर विनोद, हेलो.
हेलो.
मिस्टर देव, ओके, माय नेम जी.
Yay, I'm all set.
Madam, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good.
Okay, I give you river safety talking. Okay, how do I say? How do I involve the paddle and rolling the paddle? Okay. And everybody more fast and safety fast. Okay, please.
Each boat carries 8 to 10 people. We were 2 of us and were joined by another group of 6. And the adventure begins.
All forward. Come on, guys. Go fast. Forward. Okay, get down, get down, get down, get down, get down. Get back, get back, get back. Get back. All forward. Forward. Forward, forward. Forward करो, जोर से, जोर मारो. Go fast, go fast. Go fast, go fast.
It's such a rejuvenating activity. A simple way to keep all your worries at bay. starts it's like upar pani, niche pani. Wow. It's adventurous enough to give you that adrenaline rush, yet safe enough to carry your family along with you.
सबको बराबर करेंगे.
Well, towards the end, you have their permission to jump off the raft and enjoy the swim. Well, which in my case is enjoy floating, thanks to the life jacket. By the way, this activity is open throughout the year because it's a dam-fed river, but I feel monsoon is the perfect time to be here because of the rain. Of course, it takes away most of your tiredness towards the end.
सब खुश हैं आप लोग?
Now we are all literally dog tired. Back from rafting, and now we are heading to the other activities point. So there we're gonna have lunch as well. So lunch, few other activities. Lunch by the river. By the way, the lunch was good. But I think if you're planning on to leave at the same day, then it's better to just go for the rafting package. And here you have TT table, foosball and carom board as well. These do not seem to be in usable condition, but anyway, we are also very tired to use them. And in this resort, we got to know there were 12 rapids in this river, and these are the names and some information about them. And in this resort, all the cottages are named after those rapids. Good morning Buddha, that's butterfly. And now it's time to leave. वापस आते टाइम we had to really face a lot of traffic, especially weekend पे पुणे में बहुत गंदा ट्रैफिक रहता है. And a monsoon trip is incomplete without a vada pav. The batter is very crunchy, I love it. And it feels so fresh, yeah. It's on our way back to Pune, Hotel Ashirwad. And cheers, some coffee. No, seriously, on a serious note, the vada pav was extremely good. Even the coffee, it's just perfect. The amount of coffee they have put, milk, sugar, everything is just perfect. Okay guys, that's the end of our adventurous trip. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye, see you next time.